Chris Hildrew, Head Teacher at Churchill Academy and Sixth Form in North Somerset. So the problem I've been addressing is student engagement and attitude to learning, independence. The problem is that if the teacher is the hardest working person in the room, then it's more likely that the students are not going to make the progress we want them to make. The solution is around focusing on student attitude to learning as a school culture and thinking about how we can leverage student attitudes, and we've done that through using research on motivation and psychology, including growth mindset, but also Dweck's work on academic tenacity, to try and build a culture, an evidence-informed culture that addresses student attitude as a mechanism to unlock progress in learning. So the next step for me as a head teacher is leveraging that on a whole school, in a whole school cultural way. And of course, the big problem is you can't change someone's mind for them. So it's setting up the systems in your school to make sure that the path of least resistance for students is effort and engagement with learning. And if that's the case, then our belief is that that will unlock their progress and make them better learners for life.
Thank you very much. It's very helpful.